going on, everyone? Today we're going to be doing an upgrade to my bathroom that I think basically everyone should do if you struggle at all with your mirror fogging up. We're going to be replacing this mirror with an electric one that has a defogger, a light. It's from Garvee, it's linked down below. And let me show you what tools we're going to use, and then we're going to take this one off. I've already got the bathroom all cleaned out, so we are ready to go. So here is this mirror. You can see this is the heated section. So when you turn on the kind of defog, it immediately gets rid of all the fog on the mirror. This can either be plugged directly into a outlet, or you can snip this and wire it directly into the wall. They do give you drywall anchors. I'm going to try my best to get this into studs. This is the little mounting strip right here. So we're going to be screwing this into the wall, and then this feeds up into this bar right here. So we should be able to slide it side by side once it's mounted, but we'll need to do some measuring. And first things first, let's take the old one off. I've got 3 construction screws here, a little angle finder to make sure it's level, and a drill and a little outlet tester to see if we can find a live wire behind the mirror. So let's go. All right, this is certainly a 2-man job, but I'm working alone today. So I'm just gonna unscrew all these brackets besides the bottom 2 and pull this one off. It should be okay. I did also mark a pencil mark so I can try to get this new mirror in a very similar spot. Nice. Crazy how much smaller it looks in here without a mirror. Part of the reason I'm doing this is because I knew I had these wires back here, so I'm going to use this little tester to see if any of these are live. And that is great news. That means I can hardwire these. But I'm going to have to figure out which breaker this is to uninstall these. And also, like this outlet, when I turn this off, this outlet goes off. So I want to see, is this one? That one goes off too. But I mean, that's not the end of the world. If you're going to turn these lights on anytime you want to use the mirror anyway. So one of the big downsides about this Garvee mirror so far is that these holes are spaced 12 inches apart. I'm not sure why they wouldn't do 16 so you can get it on studs. I may end up drilling my own hole. We'll see about that. If I can get it into 2 studs, well, I'd probably have to drill my own hole anyway, then that would be fine. But let's figure out where the studs are, and then we'll mark them and figure out like which height we need to actually install this. So I went ahead and marked where this is going to go. It's going to go on this line right here. It might be a bit challenging to get it behind the lights. That's okay. And where my studs are, I am going to need to drill some holes in this metal. So let's knock that out, and then we'll mount the mount, and then we'll handle the wiring. Okay, let's go ahead and put this up. So I'll put in 1 screw first. This was probably a good idea anyway, to go ahead and get these things out of the way. I forgot these came off. All right, now I'm using this angle gauge reader. Putting a lot of trust in this thing. This will be a big test of it. It's not a great sign that it just said this was level a second ago and now it's wanting me to adjust it again. It's saying right there is level, which that's pretty damn close. So we'll try it. We can always move it if we need to. I'm gonna have to take this guy off too. Okay, I mean that is definitely in studs because those are pretty hard to screw in. So now I'll get the rest of these off and we'll get the mirror up there and start doing the wiring. All right, now we want to cut off the end of this cable here. Recommend just getting a razor blade. Sharper the better. All right, now we are ready to wire this up. You just want to twist these, get them all into one strand. And we'll get all this out of the way and we'll get back in there. So basically, I'm just putting the black onto the black pig tie and the white onto the white pig tie. Make sure it's snug in there. Okay, and definitely before we mount this, I'm gonna flip the breaker back on and let's see if it's working correctly, because we don't want to mount it and then it not work. Nice. So let's see here. There's the light. Kind of changes the color. You can see like an orange versus a white. Might also be lighting up. Oh wow, there's a backlight on the back too. I didn't even know that. Okay. So we'll turn that off. And then we've got the defrost mode or defog mode, which we'll turn that off too for now. Okay, well, we know it's working. That is great news. Now we just need to try to mount it. So first things first, I'm gonna have to push these all back into this box because they can't be protruding. Bundle this where I can. And let's put it up. This is the hard part. All right, I went ahead and moved it a little lower. It was kind of too high, but it's looking really good now. Let's go ahead and turn on the light. And I already showed it to my wife. She loves it. It looks super nice, a lot more modern. I'm having to patch all these, so that's gonna be a couple day process. Almost ready for another coat. But I'm happy with it, guys. It looks really nice. I'm excited to try out the defog. I think I showed this already, but you can switch the color of the light like that. So here's a quick final look at the finished product with the lights back on and everything back on the counter. This thing looks super modern and is definitely a big upgrade over the existing mirror that we had. The backlight really helps it look really nice. Now, one thing to note is with the backlight too, it kind of highlights any paint issues around, so I did have to fix some painting stuff. But a couple tips. So for the defog, you want to turn that on before you get into the shower. About to show some stuff here because it takes a little bit to heat up. So you saw there that was like in the middle of it, and then once it's done, it's going to be totally clear in the middle. So check it out, guys. I will have links down below. Great little mirror upgrade. Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hairdryer. Click the item on my site. The coupon will auto apply. Click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.